Are you coming to Thailand soon? And wonder how to count Thai numbers so that you can communicate with Thai locals better when buying food at the market? Trust me, it's not that hard. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to count Thai numbers and also the basic phrases like how much, can you give me discount, or keep the change. Shall we get started? First, let's start with number 1 to 10. Just so you know that if you can count from 1 to 10 by heart, you can pretty much count all Thai numbers. But there are 2 exceptions I will tell you later in the video. Let's start with number 1. Nueng. Nueng. Sawng. Sawng. Saam. Saam. Si. Si. Ha. Ha. Well, 5 is my favorite number because we use 5 to laugh in the text like ha 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 ha. Next, hoke. Hoke. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. Easy, right? Now, let's count together from 1 to 10 again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Easy, right? Congratulations, you have passed the first test. I understand that learning Thai can sometimes be hard in some cases because there are so many sounds and so many intonations that you're not familiar with. So I have a great recommendation for you to help you learn Thai better. Our today's sponsor, italki. Although this is a sponsored video, but I really like italki's service since long ago because I actually did a few English lessons with them before when I was younger. That is why I want to recommend it to my audience. italki is a very cool online learning website and also an application where you get to learn directly on live video calls one-on-one from native speakers anywhere and anytime. Whether you want to improve your listening or speaking skills or more professional topics like business or job interviews, italki has you covered. Not just Thai language, but over 150 languages to explore. italki has over 30,000 teachers online, and you can choose a teacher who fits your time zone. In my case, there are 147 teachers available. And I took a Thai lesson on italki with teacher Nattawut, and here is how it goes.
สวัสดีค่ะคุณสวัสดี
ส
ค่ะ
วัสดีครับสวัสดีครับผมชื่อนัทวุฒิบุญสิงห์พร้อมนะครับชื่อเล่นเกตตอนนี้นะครับอยู่ที่101อายุ28 ปี
โอเค
ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักนะครับคุณชื่ออะไรครับ
ชื่อโอปอค่ะยินดีที่ได้รู้จักสบายดีไหมคะสบายดีค่ะ
My favorite part is italki lets you pay per lesson with no subscription, so you're never tied into anything. If you're ready to go on a fun and affordable language learning lesson, click through the link below in the description to start your language learning journey. And a special offer to my beloved audience. Buy $10, get $5 for free for your first lesson using my exclusive promo code. But mind you, the discount is only available for the first 50 users, so hurry up! Now let's learn to count 2 digits number, starting with 11. Thai counting number systems go like 10 and the number. So 10, 1, 10, 2. However, 11 is your first exception. You have to remember that if 1 is behind a number, it becomes et, et instead of nueng. So 11 is sip, et, sip, et. That's all you need to remember, and it goes on like sip, sawng, sip, saam, sip, si, sip, ha, sip, hoke, sip, 7, sip, 8, sip, gaao. Easy peasy. Now, 20 is your second exception. When 2 is in front a number instead of sawng, we say yi, yi. So 20 is 210. 20. 20. And it just goes on like this until 29. So what is 21? Do you remember that if 1 is behind a number, it's it. If 2 is in front of a number, it is ye. So 21 is 21. 21. That's all you have to remember. And then it goes on like 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 is, you're right, 30. Easy, right? Now you can count from 1 to 99. So we go from 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now let's do some tests. What is 75 in Thai? That's right. 75. 75. What about 87? Aha. 87. How about 91? 91. 91. Congratulations, you have passed your second test. Now we have journey to 100. 100 in Thai is 100. 100. So 100 is 100. 100. I told you it's easy. So 200 is 200. 200. So on until 900. 900. 900. What about 101? Well, 100 is Roy, right? And once you start with 1, it's like starting from number 1 again, and you just add 100 in front. So 101 is 101. 101. So what is 150? That's right. 150. 150. And it's pretty much the same until 1,000. 1,000 in Thai is pan. Pan. 1,000 is 1,000. 1,000. Easy peasy. What is 1,800? 1,800. 1,800. What is 4,320? 4,320. 4,320. All right, now before I take you to the food stall, there are a few phrases that you should know, which is how much. How much in Thai is เท่าไหร่ and you have to add ค่ะ or krub. ค่ะ is for female speaker, krub is for male speaker. You use this to sound polite. So เท่าไหร่ คะ เท่าไหร่ ครับ Next is can you give me discount? So ลดได้ไหม ลดได้ไหมคะ ลดได้ไหมครับ Next is keep the change. ไม่ต้องทอน ไม่ต้องทอนค่ะ ไม่ต้องทอนครับ Now you're ready to go.
อันนี้เท่าไหร่คะพี่
20 ค่ะ
20 บาท20 บาท
One more thing I forgot to mention is อันนี้ อันนี้ means this one. So this one how much? อันนี้เท่าไหร่คะแล้วน้ำเท่าไหร่เหรอคะพี่
อันนี้ 35 ค่ะ
35
30
เอาอันนี้อันนึงค่ะ35เท่าไหร่คะทั้งหมด
อันนี้ 35 อันนี้ 20 เป็น 55 ค่ะ
ลดได้ไหม ลดได้ไหมไม่ลดใช่20 บาท 20 บาท And this is 10 บาท โอ้ไปแล้ว ขอบคุณค่ะ ไม่ต้องทอนนะคะไม่ต้องทอนนะคะโอเคขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ I hope you had fun speaking Thai and do not be afraid of making mistakes, you guys, because you will learn from it. And thank you, italki, again for sponsoring this video. If you want to learn Thai the right way, italki is the answer. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. สวัสดีค่ะ